Welcome back everybody inside the Dad Cave. This is part 2 of my wife's home bar build, and as you can see, the bar is not here. I made some progress on it over the last week or two, and it got too heavy and I had to move it inside the house. 7-foot long bar, this thing is a beast. Stick around, check it out. Okay, so these are nothing more than furring strips that I cut the length already, and now I'm just cutting them to the final width. These furring strips would be perfect for the bottom shelf of this bar. They are inexpensive, have a lot of natural character, which will really help this bar look aged and rustic. These 1x4 boards will dress up the side of the bar. Now it's time to mark the location for the wine racks. This bar is going to have a total of 4 wine racks as well as a shelf for a wine refrigerator. Once I mark the location and have it level, I'll just have to repeat the process for the remaining shelves. I'll be using 3/4 inch plywood for the wine racks. In my next video I'll show you how I create the wine racks, and by the way, if you want to see that video when it's released, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you'll be notified when that video comes out. So I wasn't planning on torching the wood, but I just couldn't help myself. It also helped me fix the mistake I made. I stained all the boards on this bar the wrong color. So I had to resand all the boards, stain them again, then burn the wood. But in the end, it worked out even better. It gave me the aged, rustic look that I was looking for in this bar. And like Bob Ross said, there's no mistakes, just happy accidents. So here's the correct color stain. This is a walnut color. That was supposed to be the color of the bottom of the bar, not the cognac color that I put on the first time. These are the 1x4 boards I was cutting at the beginning of the video. Now I'm just going to go ahead and space them out evenly on the sides of the bar. So here are the furring strips you saw earlier in the video. Now I just need some glue and some nails, and that bottom shelf is all done and ready to go. And for the last part of this video, this is just 1/4 inch plywood panels that I'm putting on the back of the bar. Alright, so that's all for this video. Now, if you missed the first video in this series, make sure you click right up here to go check that out. Also, if you want to see one of the other bars that I built, you can click on this video here and go check that out as well. And by the way, do me a favor, if you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up button for me. And also, if my DIY projects inspire you to get out there and create other projects of your own, then consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload. With that, I am out of here. Make sure you stay safe, wash your hands, social distance, and get out there and build something today, because Dad said so.